So that is in the last video I have set up to Delphily. And next is Ivy-Pred. So Ivy-Pred is similarly used for cough related diseases. Ivy-Pred, it relieves sneezing and running nose, and it decreases swelling in airways, nose, etc. And it relieves pains and swelling too. And it should be consumed 2 times a day, that is morning and at night after food. Okay, so I will show you Ivy-Pred. This is Ivy-Pred. Ivy-Pred 8 mg. The spelling is the spelling Ivepred. So the next one is Montacalci. So that is a main medicine that is used in cough. It also releases sneezing, running nose, decreases swelling in airways, nose, etc. And the last one is Pantazoid. It is used to reduce the gas that is formed in our intestines and in our stomach due to the consumption of all these medicines. So these are the medicines that is mainly used for cough related disease. In the next video I will upload how to use an inhaler. With this we have to use this Buramate capsules in an inhaler. So in the next video I will show you how to use this Buramate capsules in an inhaler, and how to use and how to how to work an inhaler. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and like this video and share this video if you like my video. Thank you for all. May God bless you. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.